Guys, this is how to get free mini kit avatars in Roblox. Please like and subscribe, guys, to my channel.
It should appear once you type it. This bundle is free and anyone can get it. I have already obtained it, so make sure to get it while it's still free. Now go back to the search bar and type Harley Base.
Chan, gunti chan, yan na chan. Yan na, gunti, ikaw na po, ikaw na.
You can get one of them if you want. I have already obtained them, so I suggest getting them as well if you haven't yet. After getting the bundles I mentioned, go to Customize. And then to Head and Body. Switch to the Torso section. And use the Chibi Dog Torso from the Harley Base bundle. It might be confusing, but you will find it if you have already obtained the Harley Base bundle. Now let's proceed to the left and right arms. For both arms, we will use the Harley Base arms again.
Guys, please like and subscribe.
For the legs, we will use the turkey left and right legs.
Wala, video mo.
After
Wala
that,
mo ni
click on
YouTube
Build.
channel. Guys, that was my mom, guys, sorry.
Scroll all the way down. Just follow what I do here.
Guys, I'm so sorry, my friend parted here.
Use the head size to make it quite
Kapag
small.
bitches.